Whenever we are preparing for any interview or any competitive exam or any normal academic exam, we always feel a little anxious about the outcome. Well, it's very normal for us to feel that way, but when this anxiety increases, when it becomes a problem, when it's just doesn't give us a room for the preparation or think about how we can prepare for this thing or work on it, then that's a problem. Today, I want to share this small technique that I always use whenever I'm preparing for any interview or any exam, and I'm sure this will help you as well. So, the first thing first, why are you preparing for this exam? Be very clear about the end goal, why you want to crack this exam, why you are doing this. If the reason is something like because my parents are making me do this, because my friends are doing well in their career or whatever, if the answer is something that is related to the outer world, you won't be able to crack this exam. Trust me. If the goal is something like that, if I crack this exam or if I crack this interview, this will help me to grow as a person, this will give me a better life in the future, or give me more choices what should I do in my life, then this motivation, this one thing will keep you going. Even if you feel anxiety or fear in your life, whatever it is, you will keep all these things aside and work towards your goal. Once you have the clarity why you want to achieve this goal, let's understand how do you feel about the end goal. What if you achieve, what if you crack the exam, how do you feel about it? What if you don't crack the exam, how do you feel about that? So these are the two scenarios constantly going on in our mind. When you focused more towards the negative outcomes, it will make you more anxious towards the preparation. And the more anxious you are, the chances of you making more mistakes increases. The moment you think about the positive outcome, the moment you think about the negative outcome, there is certain emotions, feelings that has generated by your body that shows if your mind is thinking about a positive outcome but your heart says something else, something negative, that means your mind and body is not synced. To get the desired outcome, will have to work upon to sync your mind and body. The best way to sync your mind and body is to do ho'oponopono, because over the years our body has collected so many negative emotions, so many negative thoughts inside us that has affected our self-esteem, our confidence. So whenever we are trying to focus on something that we want to achieve, all this negativity just comes rushing in your mind and you just get stuck in this negativity. Ho'oponopono helps you to get rid of this thing. Whenever you are sitting to do Ho'oponopono, make sure you're saying this to yourself that whatever trauma, whatever negativity that over the year I have collected in my heart that is stopping me to achieve my this goal, I'll let it go. The moment you say this and do your Ho'oponopono for at least 108 times, you slowly release all this negativity from your body and your mind. And mind you, if it's your first time doing it, initially you will feel lot of resistance from your mind and body. You will feel lot of negativity coming up, the emotional, you will feel very emotional, you will cry, or you might like feel angry, or you might feel very sleepy. These are the just initially you will feel all this negativity, and you don't have to be worried about this thing, or you don't have to think that this is not working out for you. This is the normal process, because all the negativity that you have collected over the year is just coming out on the surface level. That's why you're feeling all this thing. The key here is to be consistent with the practice and have faith that you will make it in this exam and you will get your desired score. When you're so focused on your end goal, you will get a lot of distractions around you. People might come and talk to you negatively, or they will tell you what will happen if you don't achieve this goals. Just ignore all these people. World will not end if you fail this exam. The moment you let go of this fear, the moment you say भाड़ में जाए मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, I'm going to give my 100% for this exams, I don't care what people think, what people do, I don't care, I'll give my best. The moment you let loose yourself from all these negative thoughts, negative people around you, you will be unstoppable. In the end, I just want to say one thing, that positive outcome or negative outcome, it's all in your head, that you have made it so big. If this thing doesn't happen, all the negative things will happen in your life. The moment you think about this negativity, your heart produces the negative vibrations, and hence you attract the similar stuff in your life. So be positive. What will happen, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा? You won't die, right? You have the time to prepare, or you have the opportunity to go and pursue something else. So never let this negativity surround you and affect your preparation or your outcome. Make sure you're preparing with all your heart into it. Make sure you're seeing your goal very clearly. You're not letting any distractions coming in your way, no matter what, and do the practice every single day and see the changes yourself. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Thank you so much for all your support to all my videos. I really hope this video resonated with you and will help you to achieve your goals and crack your exams. And I'm so grateful for all the love and blessing you're showering on my videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.